5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to the fifth annual general meeting of your company and wish you all a very happy new year. The director's report and the audited statement of accounts for the year ended 31st December have already been circulated, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. The directors have recommended an increased dividend on equity shares. The shareholders will also get the benefit of tax exempted dividend. I am sure the shareholders will be happy at the results, which are considerably better than the last year. The results would have been even better, but for the distressed conditions of the textile units, in spite of various appeals to the previous government, it has not taken measures to improve the health of the textile industry. One hopes that the government will realize the importance of the textile industry in the total economy of the country and take steps to improve the viability of this important industry. In this respect, there is a ray of hope in the industrial policy statement made by the Minister of Industries, where he has mentioned that he would like to see that where there are price controls, the prices are reasonably remunerative. As you all know, the control of cloth prices has caused a great harm to the textile industries. Every effort is being made to improve the profitability of the textile units. In other industries, we have done reasonably well. The new unit has started commercial production. The product has been well received, and I hope in time to come this industry will contribute its share to the growth of your company. We have at present a popular government in our country, and we can hope that the policies of the government will lead to more employment, better administration, better distribution of opportunities, leading to a faster growth and prosperity. It is not that everything was wrong with the policies followed up to now, but with the changing times, requirements of a large population living in an extremely poor condition, the industries minister has recently announced the new industrial policy of the government. A large industry, a medium industry, a small scale industry, and a cottage industry all have a role to play. One can argue with the objectives of the policy. All these various cultures are interdependent. One, therefore, has to be very careful that no sector fails, otherwise, shortages would continue. One must also make sure that quality does not suffer, particularly where either a medium scale or a small scale industry works as an ancillary to other industries, or where there is danger to health because of inadequate quality control. The other important aspect which will need the attention of the government is that if the small scale and cottage industries have to succeed, proper marketing has to be organized. The poor rate of growth in the past has been not so much because of the wrong policies in our planning. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the third instant, as desired by you. We are sending by separate post a copy of our latest price list and catalogue. We are sure that you will find therein the necessary details about the various items of electrical goods that you require. With regard to the electric fans that you require, we are sorry that it will not be possible for us to supply the fans of the particular make that you require for another 6 weeks. However, if you can wait another 6 weeks, we shall be able to contact our head office for the supply of the same. On the other hand, if you cannot wait for such a long period, we will be in a position to supply you fans of other makes which will give you the same satisfaction. On hearing from you, we will take further action in the matter. We very much regret to note that the switches that we had sent you in our last consignment were not the ones that you had ordered for. On inquiry, we find that your complaint is fair and will be rectified soon. Yours faithfully,